Oh, hey, that's me. My name's Justin Rhuebert. I'm a professor here at the University of Findlay that teaches anatomy and physiology. Though I may teach anatomy and physiology, I am also a herpetologist, which means I am somebody that studies amphibians and reptiles, or what we call terrestrial ectotherms. I have studied frogs, salamanders, lizards, snakes, turtles, and even alligators, though not here in Ohio. See, here I am sitting with a chameleon on a tree limb. Okay, well maybe that's not really me, but this is me holding a snake in Texas, and here I am holding a lizard in Arizona. And you're probably thinking, that doesn't look like the guy in the cartoon. But those were before I grew a beard and a mohawk. But I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about Venom. No, not the Marvel character, though he is pretty cool. And not my dog, though he is really cool. Yeah, that's more like it. Venom. That's what we're going to talk about. But what exactly is a venom anyway? Well, according to Merriam-Webster's dictionary, venom is a poisonous substance secreted by animals such as snakes, spiders, and scorpions that is typically injected into prey by biting or stinging. Well, how's that any different from a poison? A poison is a substance that is capable of causing illness or death of an organism when introduced or absorbed. So the difference is how the toxin is administered. One is absorbed and one is injected. So then which of these two things is venomous and which is poisonous? That's right. The frogs are poisonous, whereas the snake is venomous. The substance secreted by the frogs is absorbed through the skin, and the venom produced by the snake is injected via fangs. Though both substances are secreted by these organisms are harmful, one is injected, whereas another is absorbed through your body's coverings, like your skin or your GI tract. So, a good general rule of thumb to use to determine if something is venomous or poisonous is if you bite it and get sick, it's poisonous. But if it bites you and you get sick, it's venomous. There are lots of things in nature that are venomous, including snakes, spiders, wasps, and fish. Oh hey, I caught one of those the other day. I'm glad it didn't sting me. However, not all things are venomous, and not even all snakes are venomous. In fact, many are completely harmless and rather friendly, and some of them are really, really good to have around the house. When in doubt, though, it is best to ask a professional. Hey Remy, how can something so bad be used for good?
Hey there, Justin. That's a good question. I'm glad you asked. Let's sink our teeth into this. Though venom is generally regarded as harmful, researchers have found ways to study its many complex chemical components in order to turn them into some really fascinating medical treatments. Perhaps the most obvious is using venom to make antivenoms. These are used to treat humans and animals that suffer a potentially fatal bite. Perhaps less obvious, other important applications of venom have been to treat chronic pain with cone snail venom, killing cancer cells with rattlesnake venom, using pit viper venom to reduce blood pressure, using tarantula venom to slow the progression of muscular dystrophy, and scientists are even helping treat diabetes with the saliva from a Gila monster. Believe it or not, scientists have even found a way to use bee venom to detect the presence of explosives. It's mind-blowing.
Wow, that's pretty neat. I'm really glad we get to do these sort of things by being part of the Euler Lab here at the University of Findlay. And as you guys can see, venom is not only really important in helping different organisms defend themselves or capture prey, but it is also very beneficial to humans in biomedical research. If you would like to learn more about this work or other work being performed at the University of Findlay, feel free to visit Findlay's website and check out our undergraduate research. Our research lab, the Euler Lab, is always open to visitors, and we are always looking for new recruits. And maybe you could be the next big venom researcher. Until next time, stay oily, my friends.